Delores. Delores del Xolita. I'm a Xoloitzcuintle. This is my first hike. A hike is a long walk in nature. And I love nature. I love all the different smells. Oh, are there any squirrels here? This is my Powin's favorite hike. It's called the Rainforest Trail in Studio City, California, near where I live. It has really great views of the San Fernando Valley. We start at the Nancy Hoover Pole Overlook. Nancy was a conservationist. That's a job that makes sure parks stay safe for years and years. Not just for humans, but for bobcats, gray foxes, mule deer. They would have lost their homes if it wasn't for Nancy. Conservationists are very important people. Will I see a mule deer? There are streams, bridges, rocks, trees, even the beetles? Ask your grandma who her favorite beetle is. I bet they have one. Mine does. The trails can get narrow, which makes them so fun to explore. Wow, what an adventure! There are so many ways to go. I'm glad my Powins know the way. Come on, there's a lookout. We found the Tree of Love, where you can leave a note for the ones you love. My dad left a happy birthday note for my mom. Aw, those two lovebirds. Oh, I've never heard chimes before. That's a different sound. Neato. I get a treat for being a good girl. I love hikes. We should go all the time. That's a really pretty view. Is that a fruit? Can I eat it? I eat blueberries at home, but many berries along the hike are not to eat. So it's always best to just leave them alone. Come on, Dad, follow me. I know the way. Keep going. Maybe we'll see a T-Rex. Like from Jurassic Park. When you get all the way to the bottom of the mountain, there is a beautiful rainforest. The trees are so beautiful, I just had to run around. I think we found Pandora from Avatar. Is that a teepee? Does Mr. Gnome live here? The sounds of the rainforest are very tranquil. Mira! There's another dog. Let's be amigos. That means friends in Spanish. Sometimes I get a little too excited. I'm not scary, really. See? We all became friends. These are the biggest trees I've ever seen or smelled. My Powins say they are old native oaks and California walnut trees. This trail is perfect for hairless pups like me because there's plenty of shade, even during the dog days of summer. We have seen snakes on this trail, so my Powins are extra careful. That was fun! What is your favorite hike? Don't forget to like and subscribe and paw that notification button and come along on my adventures. I love adventures. How about you?